Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, we're going to talk about the Indigo credit card. Now, this is not necessarily a credit card that I do suggest that people get because I want you guys to watch out for the annual fee, but people were able to get approved for it without an annual fee. So that's why I'm bringing it up. This is not one that I just feel like you're gonna have forever, you know. And when I say have forever, it's credit cards that you can add your kids as authorized user, help them build their credit, and you're gonna be able to eventually have a $10,000 credit line with them. You know, have this for the future, but it can temporarily help you build your credit, especially if you can get a no annual fee. That is amazing. Okay, this can really help you build your credit. Now let's look at some of these approvals. So someone said they was able to get approved for $1,500, no annual fee. Another $1,500 with no annual fee. It seemed like $1,500 no annual fee is their favorite. You just have to make sure you pay the entire bill every month, so you don't have to worry about the APR. Besides, no fee is not bad at all. That is very true. As long as you're paying your statement balance by your due date, you guys should not have an annual fee. Okay. So again, statement balance by due date, no annual fee. I got approved. I'm so excited. Thanks. You're the best. So this right here, the point that they got approved is really amazing. So this again is the Indigo credit card. It seemed like $1,500 approvals with no annual fee is the thing that they want to do. So we're going to go ahead and let them give out those type of approvals as long as you guys are using it responsibly again. Now, when it comes down to this credit card, I do not honestly know exactly which bureau they're going to pull. So I don't want to usually on here on all the different credit cards on my website. Like you can go to the top and search like any credit card on my website. Usually I want to tell you which credit bureau they're going to pull. So if you guys apply for this credit card, you actually get approved for it. Please come back in the comments and let me know exactly which bureau they pull from. But they can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, which is something I really like. So good, excellent credit, no matter you guys want to be able to get approved. If you don't have the best of credit, the annual fee may be very high. So that will be a concern. Now, the annual fee can be very high in general, too. I know we see no annual fee for some people, but I just want you guys to be careful. The point that I see no annual fee will explain why when I put similar credit cards on here, why I kind of think that it's similar to like Michelin, the Prosper credit card, and then the Merrick Bank credit card. Merrick Bank is on the lower end of it, if you ask me, but still Prosper and Michelin, they do have it where you don't have to pay an annual fee. And I'm actually going to record the Prosper one right after I do this one. But this one have no annual fee for the first year. That don't mean you're not going to have an annual fee going forward. But if you guys are building your credit, you guys can get approved for this. Make sure you do right by them, paying your statement balance by your due date, not keeping a high balance on it so your utilization is out of whack. You guys should be able to get approved for way more credit cards, okay, while you have this. And then you can go ahead and apply for other credit cards. You don't have to keep this one forever. Now, if you guys are having a hard time getting approved, definitely look into my exclusive credit membership. I have a $1 trial for it. These are actual results from the people that's a part of my exclusive credit membership. So definitely check it out. Now let's look at their website. So I'm going to click the apply now so you guys can actually check out the website. So this is their website. Again, they can pre-qualify you. So you can see right here, apply now. Apply with confidence. There is no impact to your credit score if you are not approved. They say that here. That means that they're going to be able to pre-qualify you. Oh, let me move my big head out the way. No, I want you guys to be able to see that. You see right here where I highlighted that. Apply with confidence, no impact to your credit score if you are approved. So since they are able to pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, I say go for it. You know, they're going to tell you yes or no. So that's kind of how I live with certain things. Now they're going to tell you yes or no. And you can use anywhere Mastercard is accepted in the US, which makes me believe you cannot use this outside of the country. Some credit cards are like that. And then they're going to report to the credit bureaus every month, all 3 of them. That's good. That's going to help you build your credit. And then it's unsecured credit card. You don't have to put money down. So no security deposit at all. Again, you can pre-qualify on the website, and you guys may actually get pre-qualification in the mail too. Let me see if they have it. Yeah, you see right here, receive a mail offer. You guys may actually get a pre-qualification in the mail. So they'll give you an invitation number and they just want you to put your zip code on here. So what you want to do is just basically that code that you're going to get in the mail, just put that in here and then do your zip code. If you don't know about getting pre-qualifications in the mail, then you guys can go to something called Factor Trust and look up the shopping cart trick. Because you got to basically follow those steps. So you're going to start getting a lot of stuff in the mail. And then with the things you get in the mail, they're going to say, hey, we pre-qualify you for these credit cards. Basically, so Indigo will say, hey, we pre-qualified you for $1,500. Here's your invitation number and your zip code. You should know. So you just gonna put that in, and then you can accept that offer like that. You can also see if they even have a code for you. They may mess around and have a code for you already. So you can click right here on find a code. And yeah, you can go ahead and put your last name, last 4 digits of social, and then the zip code. You can go ahead and put this information in. They'll see if they have some type of approval for you. But again, you can pre-qualify for this. But so I don't want you guys to overthink it. Just pre-qualify for it if something you really like, no hard inquiry. And then hopefully you guys will be able to get approved for it. Now, again, this is my membership now. I am going to slow down my membership because I do need to focus. So definitely get the membership while you can, because when I open it back up, prices are definitely going to be a lot higher. And again, we talked about the similar credit cards. So you can definitely check them out. All of these you can click to be able to actually look at the blog that I have for that credit card on my website. And you can see even more approvals for the next credit card. So this is Mission Lane. So I definitely love my website. It's just Rickita.com. Definitely come here to be able to check out these different credit cards. And if you guys need to know about just credit in general too, I did put together the Credit 101 course where I actually created some personalized dispute letters that you all can use to start trying to fix any errors that you guys have on your credit reports, or it's different dispute letters on there. So definitely check it out. But it's over 40 different downloads. And it's only $9.99 for the whole course. So I'm very, very happy about per month for the course. So I definitely do like this. I'm very excited that I put this together because I know how beneficial it is. Now, this is my favorite part. Like, I just love this part. I love to be able to see like the different lists of credit cards. This is my favorite, pre-qualify with no hard inquiry, because I want to be able to pre-qualify for credit cards without a hard inquiry. If you got bad credit and you want to get approved for credit cards, here is the list of credit cards that will still approve you, even if you have bad credit. Also, the best credit cards to bill credit, gas, rewards, cash back, travel, the best credit cards in general. So definitely check these different lists out. And if you guys get approved, definitely come back and let me know so I can add you guys onto my website that you guys were able to get approved for the credit cards that you have listed. So definitely leave me a nice juicy comment of what you got approved for, and hopefully you tell us which bureau too, especially if I don't already have it pulled. I don't have it available. Now I do have 6 months of free letters. All you have to do is follow steps 1 through 5. The 5th step is just to call us. Now we can actually create the letters for you, and we can create the letters for you, and we can actually email it to you. But keep in mind, no matter what, you have to think about sending certified mail. So when you're mailing out your letters, because we'll plug in all of your personal information, make sure you guys are sending out your letters certified mail. And if you guys are sending out your letters certified mail, then that way you guys will be able to have tracking. You guys need to track these letters. Now, we can also mail them out on our end. So definitely let us know if that's something that you want to do. But your 5th step is to call us. So if you want us to mail them out, you can let us know after you call us. And again, I have my exclusive credit membership. So hopefully you guys are able to get approved for this credit card. And again, there's other similar credit cards that's out there to this. So if you like this one, I have similar credit cards on here. Definitely check that out. And let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments.